Welcome to Susanna Foo Home Cooking. Today I will make Kabocha squash. This is one of the most popular squash during this time of the year, and it's very popular among Chinese and Japanese because the sweetness, the chestnut taste, and it's also my favorite squash. I remember my grandmother always cook this squash and steamed with the skin on, and we always love this squash. We always ate them all. It's so buttery, so sweet, almost like chestnut, and full of flavor. In this recipe, I use 1 medium Kabocha squash. Usually it's deep green. It's about 2 to 3 pounds, usually around 3 pounds. 3 tablespoons olive oil and 2 teaspoons of sugar. First, the squash, the skin is so hard, so you should blanch the squash in the hot boiling water maybe around 15 minutes, and the skin will be much softer and very easy to peel or cut. First, we cut in quarters, spoon out all the seeds, and you can save the seeds to plant. And today I'm going to make 2 ways. I'm going to roast the squash, and also I'm going to do the steamed squash. For the roasted squash, I peel off the skin, cut it into quarters, and then I cut each quarter into 4 pieces. Then I put 3 tablespoons olive oil and 2 teaspoons of sugar and mix them so all the squash is coated with olive oil and sugar. Then you put in the oven at 375 degrees and roast for about 20 minutes, and should be done by then. And that's the roasted Kabocha squash. My traditional family, we do a steamed squash. You also with olive oil and sugar. So you layer the steamer with cheesecloth, bring the steamer to a boiling, and then you layer the squash in the steamer, and you steam about 20 minutes. It should be done. And you can check in 15 minutes, so if it's done, you take out and you serve with skin on. And usually I like to serve the squash as a side vegetable dish with roasted turkey, and this is the season for this wonderful squash. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. You can always download the recipe and description below. Happy and healthy cooking, and see you next time.